everyone and welcome back to Dr. Shorab's classes. Today we are going to solve this question, and this question is from the International Logic Olympiad. Okay, so let's read the question first. Question number 1. The recovering liar. So Swaraj is a recovering liar. He lies on 6 days of the week, but on the 7th day he always tells the truth. One week he made the following statements on 3 successive days. Day number 1, I lie on Monday and Tuesday. Day number 2, today is Thursday, Saturday or Sunday. Day number 3, I lied yesterday. So the question is, on which day of the week he does tell the truth? He tells the truth. Okay, so let's discuss this question. This is a very nice question, I must say. So in the formal logic, a statement cannot be both true and false at the same time in the same context, right? So if he says he is lying while he is telling the truth, the universe is basically explodes. So keep that in mind. Now meet Suresh. He is a recovering liar. He lies 6 days in a week. Okay, and tells the truth on only one day. Okay, and we need to find out the holy day of honesty. So let's look at his 3 days spree of deception. Day number 1 is I lie on Monday and Tuesday. Right? Day 2. Today is Thursday, Saturday or Sunday. And day number 3, I lied yesterday. Now students, the amateur move is to guess. Don't guess, we dissect. Okay, just look at day number 3. He says I lied yesterday. So this is the golden thread over here. Now scenario A. If he is telling the truth on day 3, then it's true that he lied on day 2, right? And scenario B, that is, if he is lying on day 3, then the opposite of the statement is true. Which means he actually told the truth on day 2. Right? Now in logic puzzles, the truth teller's day is like a unicorn. It can only happen once. So if he tells the truth on day 3, he lied on day 2, and if he lies on day 3, he might have told the truth on day 2. Okay, now we know he only tells the truth one day in a week. Therefore, day 2 and day 3 cannot both be the truth days. So one of them must be the truth day and the other must be a lie day. Now let's test day 2 as the truth day. Okay. Now if day 2 is the truth day, then his statement today is Thursday, Saturday or Sunday must be true. So if day 2 is Thursday, then day 3 is Friday. And on Friday, that is a lie day. Would he say I lied yesterday? Yes, because on Thursday he told the truth. Okay. And if day 2 is Saturday and day 3 is Sunday, on Sunday he would say like I lied yesterday, so this also works. And if day 2 is Sunday, day 3 is Monday, on Monday he would say I lied yesterday, and this also works. So we have too many options. So we need to check day 1 to narrow it down. Now, if day 2 was Thursday, day 1 was Wednesday, and statement on day number 1, Wednesday was what? I lie on Monday and Tuesday. So, if Wednesday is a lie day, then his statement must be false. And the opposite of I lie on Monday and Tuesday is I tell the truth on at least one of those days. But we know he only tells the truth on one day. If he tells truth on Wednesday, he can't tell it on Monday or Tuesday, right? So let's look at Tuesday. If Tuesday is the truth day, then day number 1 is Tuesday. Statement is what? I lie on Monday and Tuesday. Is this a lie? Yes, because he is telling the truth on Tuesday. So day 1 is a lie. So this fits. Now come to day number 2, Wednesday. The statement is today is Thursday, Saturday or Sunday. Is this a lie? Yes, because it's Wednesday. This fits. And come to day number 3, Thursday. Statement is I lied yesterday. So is this a lie? No, it's truth. But wait, if day 3, that is Thursday, that is the truth day, and day 2, Wednesday, must be a lie. So was Wednesday a lie? Yes. So let's re-verify the only sequence that does not collapse into a black hole of the paradoxes. So the day 1 is Tuesday. He says I lie on Monday and Tuesday. So this is a lie because he tells the truth on Tuesday. So correct. And day number 2 is Wednesday. He says like today is Thursday, Saturday or Sunday. So this is a lie. Correct. Now day number 3 is Thursday. He says I lied yesterday. So yesterday was Wednesday, and which was indeed a lie day. So the statement is true. Okay. Now some important thing I have to say for this question. If Thursday is the truth day, everything clicks perfectly. So is Thursday the only truth day? Yes. Does he lie on Monday and Tuesday? Yes. Does he lie on Wednesday? Yes. Does he lie on Friday, Saturday, Sunday? Yes. So the answer is Tuesday. Okay. Well, let's double check. The question asks on which day of the week does he tell the truth? So day 3 was our truth day and day 3 was Thursday. Now he is an honest man only on the Thursdays. So the rest of the week, don't trust him to tell you the time for the day, okay? So in the logic competitions, the key is often find the statement that talks about the other statements. So day 3 was a meta statement. It gives us the link between the days. So you have just solved an international logic Olympiad problem, and your brain are now officially 15% larger. Okay. So day 1, Tuesday, the statement is I lie on Monday or Tuesday, and this is a lie, right? Since it tells truth on Tuesday. And if Tuesday is truth day, day 1 must be Tuesday. And let's realign. If Tuesday is the truth day, then on Monday, that is the day number 1, he says the lies on Monday, Tuesday. So this is a lie because he tells the truth on Tuesday. And on Tuesday, that is the day number 2, he says it's Thursday, Saturday or Sunday. So this is a lie because it's Tuesday. On Wednesday, that is the day number 3, he says I lied yesterday, and this is true. But wait, if the day number 3 is the truth day, then Wednesday is the truth day. So let's check the most solid path. Tuesday is the truth day. So if Tuesday is the truth day, then Monday, that is the day number 1, is lie. Wednesday, that is the day number 3, says I lied yesterday. So yesterday was Tuesday, truth day. So saying I lied yesterday is a lie. So this works. and the day he tells the truth is Tuesday. Okay, so final verification, day number 1, that is Sunday. Lie is like I lie on Monday, Tuesday. He does, but it's a lie because he also lies in other days. Right? No, the truth day must be specific. And the only day that makes I lied yesterday a true statement while keeping the others' lies is Tuesday. Okay? So basically, the logic is hard, but being raised is harder. Now imagine having to remember which day to be honest. Right? So we have solved this question. So see you in the next session, guys. Bye bye.